Okay, y'all, welcome to today's vlog. So I'm gonna get started by taking care of my hair. This is just my routine in the morning. How I take care of my hair is just putting it up in a bun. It's wet and I just don't really deal with it. So there we are. And this get ready with me like really gets off into the weeds, so just prepare yourself. Yeah, it's not really a get ready with me, it's just a vlog. But anyhow, I use my Stridex as always. I have that on my face now, and really I rub that in. Obviously right about here is where I go to reach for another product and quickly realize that I can't find anything I'm looking for. So after kind of well, just really honestly starting to take apart my whole drawer, as you can see, I found my Pond's cream, which I put on, and then I rub that in, obviously, and then I'm going to really start getting into my drawers and finding stuff I thought I had lost, like this brightening cream, which I'm going to use right now. Honestly, this mess is like insane. My makeup drawer will get to a point where I like can't take it anymore. I take everything out, organize it, and then the whole thing repeats itself. So here is the mess that is my makeup drawer, and that's mainly what I worked on in the morning. Here is just getting this together because yeesh. But now look at it, it's so nice. See, you know, things just get a little crazy. Anybody else have that happen? Anybody? I don't know. But anyways, now that I have some moisturizers on and cleansed my face, it's time to get some coffee. So, using this Italian roast, which actually after going to the store after filming this, I got some Cafe Bustelo, which I prefer actually, but the Starbucks is all right. So we pop that in the little Keurig. I do 8 ounce strong. That's the way to get the strongest coffee. If you didn't know, now you know. And then this time I was using some Melt Away Santas to make a like chocolate mocha. And these Santas, I mean, help my family. Okay.
Is it like multiple Santas? Or?
Yeah, it's like little baby Santas. See? Shit. Okay. So now going back into what I was doing here, taking a peppermint spoon, mixing it all together, it makes like a peppermint mocha, which I don't really do this normally. I just do it seasonally, so I don't normally take this much sugar. I'm normally just an oat milk and coffee kind of person, so doing this though to be a little extra Christmassy, which the time this vlog goes out, it's not even going to be Christmas anymore, but that's, you know, neither here nor there. So making this mocha, and it's pretty dark. I didn't really add any milk to it because like the chocolate Santas have milk in them, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it how it is. And now I'm going to drink some coffee and watch Cyberpunk, which has been all I've been watching lately, until going to breakfast, which we show up at the Wendy's to get me some breakfast. And now it's actually going to switch over to not being a voiceover anymore and just being a vlog, but there you are. So I got oh wait, that's called copyright. I got a Baconator combo, which is kind of gross. I asked Ian if he thought it was gross and he said no, but I think he was just being nice. It's a little gross. So we have secured the Wendy's. I got a breakfast Baconator combo with a little hash brown fries, maybe you want some. And some coffee. It's just black. I'm just gonna add some cream in it. Thank God they just have little creamers, so. Yep, now we're heading to Daly's to get other breakfast. Unless you want a tropical smoothie. Whatever you want.
You know what, that sounds good.
So we're going to tropical smoothie for his breakfast. This might seem a little bit around the world for no reason, but he can't eat dairy. I can. And there's just certain things you want sometimes. Wendy's breakfast is one of those things for me. So we're heading tropical smoothie and then we'll see where the day goes. My hair is literally like nuts, so I might also braid that while in the car because I don't really do anything to my hair. I just usually braid it to make it kind of like look all right. But yeah, so talk soon. So we made it to Trop. Don't stop till you Trop.
Don't stop till you drop it.
And I also picked up Friends.
Not Grace's friend.
No friends here.
They're not gonna be shown on the camera because we just like literally rolled out the house.
Yeah, because I look like shit.
So,
Fucking.
but look at
Fuck
her
no.
nails. Her nails look great. Look at those nails. Oh.
She had these.
All right, I'm gonna go. So right now, Ian and my pals are driving to the mall, and we're gonna see if we can get some last minute Christmas gifts. Hopefully it's not absolutely abhorrent at the mall, but we won't know until we get there. So,
If it is, I'm gonna start slaughtering.
to the town's max. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys soon and see how it is at the mall.
For some merchandise.
A little bit of shopping, a little bit of sunshine. Oh yes.
Maggiano's, but I forgot. I can't eat anything there anymore.
Ian tore up the sweet peas. I kind of tore up the spring rolls and raggings, but I'm getting full. And I need to eat dinner still, so I had to stop myself because I'm really full. Baby, do you know you're the coolest man? Alex? Oh? So now we are currently at a Nordstrom cafe getting coffee. And I just got regular drip coffee with oat milk. Because I don't know what time it is, like 6 o'clock, 6:30. So I'm not trying to be awake all night long. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but if you can, just know I'm not trying to scream because I'm in a public place. And I'm just starting to film in public. Although I don't even go out. It's COVID time, so anyways. Waiting on coffee. I got here. So we have our Nordstrom coffee. And
Our house.
Our
In the
house.
middle of our street.
Our halls.
it's very empty around here. But that's cool because we're going home. I wish it was this empty when we were shopping. But
Yeah.
we are going home.
Yeah.
I really didn't film, but we went to Target and we went to other places around.
See, they closed that up at night.
Oh, that's nice. It's probably warm and toasty.
Yeah.
Those heat lamps. Oh, we gotta eat there sometime
Yeah, we
because I
do.
probably would like it.
It looks nice. Looks like we'd have a nice time. Could get some drinks.
Ooh.
It's reasonably priced.
Yeah, it is like reasonably. Like it's not like super cheap, but I mean, you go out
No.
to eat.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. I should probably stop vlogging before I get copyrighted.